we're going to work with the cue from Virabhadrasana A, the warrior A. So there she's got a pelvis tipped forward. Okay, now I'm going to read the instructions to her. Lift up your navel and weight your tailbone. Bring your pelvis towards level and lessen any anterior tilt. Okay, so she had success with that. The physical adjustment for that is very simple. It's just a suggestion. It's showing lift up through the navel and brushing the back of the pelvis, showing that the coccyx going down and weighting. If they don't respond to the lifting the navel and weighting the tail, you can have them self-adjust with a manual adjustment. So she's doing the second side first with the left leg forward. So you take your right hand at the top of the thigh, right near the groin crease, and your left hand right down low and find your frontal hip bone. And then you push your thigh forward and lift that frontal hip bone up. Kind of lift your pelvis off your leg. Yes.